I think it's over 1,000 runners sa 42K category. First few hundred meters. Still feeling very good. So just did the first turning point for the 42 km category, and I feel still okay, pero I think I need to slow down kasi 10 km, I think 10 km pa naman. And this is 42k. Based on my experience, importante talaga mag-reserve ng energy sa final 10 km. We're here sa Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, beside CNU. So hanggang sa crossing lang kami ng Osmeña Boulevard tsaka ng highway ng Himol. Yan, balik na kami. Kanina marami-rami ring malalakas. Yung nauna nakita ko is another African guy, but closely followed by a Filipino guy. Let's see kung anong record nila dito. Nubo na ako. So we are around the capital area there. So as I've checked, this is the exact 10 km point here in this area. Now according sa strategy ko, based on my experience, for myself only, I think maglalakad muna ako for around 5 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes to preserve my energy. Sa 10 km pa, may 32 km pa, so no need to push myself so hard kasi lahat ng, kung hindi ka trained and nauna ka for this first early stage, for sure kahit na maunahan mo ko ngayon, maglalakad ka by 30 km. So till next update. Hey guys, so update, I'm back sa SMC side. And medyo maambon. Well, I don't know, I think it's okay para rin ma-cool down yung mga muscles namin. Nung papunta na kami ng CCLEX. Yan. Chill muna. I've done around 16 kilometers already, and still a long way to go. I have to finish the whole CCLEX, then come back, then do Talisay, then come back, then finally finish line. So now we're entering sa steepest part ng CCLEX. This is the first part, mag-entrance ng CCLEX to Cordova. Welcome Cebu City Marathon participants, have a memorable experience in CCLEX. Galing. Yan. CCLEX. Dahan-dahan lang, malayo pa. I have to pause my run kasi I'm in CCLEX na proper. Tapos pag sa likod ko pa, sobrang ganda ng view. Yan. Whole Cebu City area and SMC side, and you star there on the left. Beautiful. CCLEX. Ganda ng ano, cross ng suspension ng bridge.
Where?
Ganun lang. So magnificent. Ganda. Seaside, Cebu City. Hey guys, so I've run just over 30 kilometers now and sobrang pagod ko na. Marami akong masasabi about sa marathon. May mga positive points as well as, to put it bluntly, mga disappointing negative points. Una, nakakabilib naman yung effort ng mga staff ng organizer mula sa mga traffic enforcer, mga usher, tsaka mga taga-organize ng hydration station. What I'm disappointed about is the hydration station, kasi lang talaga siya, literal na hydration, tubig lang talaga, walang Gatorade, walang Pocari, ni dalawa lang yung table na mayroong pagkain, the rest tubig lahat for 42 kilometers. It's disappointing kasi gusto ko sanang maging proud kasi dito sa Cebu ginawa, but sadly I have to say the Clark City Marathon was much better than this. It's sadly disappointing. Maraming disappointed, maraming gutom. Well, hopefully I can finish it. I think hindi ko yata mabe-break yung previous record ko. So guys, ito na nga, through rain or shine, through thirst or hunger, matatapos ko na rin ang 42 km dito sa Cebu Marathon 2023. Woo! Grabe, kapagod. Ha? Pagod.